RRB Recruitment 2024. Total vacancies equals 7,934. Age equals 18 to 36 years. Date equals the 30th of July to the 29th of August 2024. Qualification equals BTech BA degree or diploma in engineering for the junior engineer posts. Fees equals 500 rupees per general, OBC, and EWS refunded. 250 रुपए per for SC, ST, ESM, female, EBC, and transgender. Correction open from equals the 30th of August to the 8th of September 2024. The Railway Recruitment Board RRB has released the Central Employment Notice CEN03-2024 notification for the recruitment of 7,934 posts of Junior Engineer, Depot Material Superintendent, and Chemical or Metallurgical Assistant. The RRB notification 2024 has been released in the employment newspaper of the 27th of July to the 2nd of August 2024. The RRB 2024 online applications will be accepted from the 30th of July to the 29th of August 2024. RRB Recruitment. Recruitment Organization Railway Recruitment Board RRB. Post name Junior Engineer HC. ADVT. No CEN 03-2024. Total vacancies 7,934. Notification date the 22nd of July 2024. Category Reabj Notification 2024. Official website rbcdg.gov.in. Important dates. The RRB 2024 notification has been released on the 22nd of July 2024 in the employment newspaper of the 27th of July to the 2nd of August 2024. The RRB 2024 apply online will be active from the 30th of July to the 29th of August 2024. The RRB exam date will be notified later. The online application correction portal will be open from the 30th of August to the 8th of September 2024. RRB 2024 application fee. The RRB Recruitment 2024 application fee is 500 rupees for general, OBC, and EWS candidates. The amount of 400 rupees per shall be refunded duly deducting bank charges on appearing in first stage of CBT. The application fee for the SC, ST, ESM, female, EBC, and transgender is Rs. 250. The full application fee of 250 rupees per will be refunded after the candidate appears in the first stage of the written exam CBT. The application fee can be paid online. Vacancies, eligibility. A total of 7,934 vacancies were released for Railway Junior Engineer and other related posts through the ADVT. No. San 03-2024. The detailed vacancies, zone-wise vacancies, category-wise vacancies, and qualification details are given below. Age limit. The age limit for the RRB Recruitment 2024 is 18-36 years. The crucial date for the calculation of the age limit is the 1st of January 2025. The relaxation in the upper age limit will be given as per the rules. Educational qualification. The candidate should have a BTech BE degree or diploma in engineering for the junior engineer posts. The education qualifications for other posts are given in the RRB Notification 2024 PDF given below. Post name vacancy qualification junior engineer HC.7934 BA BTech degree or diploma in related discipline. Selection process. The selection process of the RRB JA Recruitment 2024 includes the written exam, computer-based test CBT Stage I and Stage 2. After that, the document verification and medical examination process will be completed before the final appointment. How to apply and ISCO. Follow these steps to apply for the RRB JA Recruitment 2024. Visit the regional website of RRB or direct link at bapali.gov.in. Click on the new registration if you are not already registered. Log in with mobile number, email ID and password. Duly fill up the RRB JA 2024 application form. Upload the required documents including the photograph and signature in the accepted format. Pay the application fee. Submit the RRB JA Online Form 2024. Take a printout of the RRB JA 2024 application form. Current Affairs, GK ट्रिक और करंट जॉब्स अपडेट के लिए लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब चैनल।